on? It's
On.
it's already there. No indication. It's on. Off.
Off.
Silent operation. Huh? Because as compared to other sounds in ship,
Yes, sir.
this sound is nothing.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's why it's called silent
Silent
operation.
operation.
And the thing is now this is open.
Yes.
Okay, that's why that sound is so. There will be another carrier rate similar like this here.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3 like that. So then in that case you will not see the sound. Now I want to rack out the circuit breaker. But this is my racking handle. I cannot put this racking there. You can see from behind what is it, what is stopping it.
Screw, sir.
Huh?
Bolt on the next.
There is a shutter there. no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So there is a shutter there.
Yes, sir.
Unless that shutter is removed, I cannot rack in this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now this shutter I will have to remove with the help of a
Key.
key number 1.
इसे पकड़ना आगे.
Proper sequence.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is the condition of breaker?
First off. Check.
What is the condition of breaker?
On.
Huh?
On.
It is on condition. I have forgotten that the breaker is on.
Yes, sir.
So I try to
Open.
put the key and remove the shutter. I try to remove the shutter.
अरे मैं टेलीफोन में ध्यान नहीं वो तो मेरे को क्या लगा.
Left side, no? Right side.
What happened?
Off.
So if this is first interlock,
Yes, sir.
if you forget to switch off the breaker and try to rack out, it will not come out
Yes.
because the racking handle is blocked by that shutter, and the moment you remove the shutter, breaker off. Got that?
Yes.
First interlock. Then I put the breaker, okay, and then start racking out. Is it coming out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Slowly.
Is it coming out or not?
Yes, sir. It's
Yes, sir.
coming, sir. It's coming.
Now, these are the shutters, safety shutters. See the safety shutters.
Yes, sir.
And it's coming out like this. Now see, there is a roller,
Yes.
white colored roller.
Yes, sir.
देखो देखो इसको. अभी इधर सामने कुछ नहीं है. Be on that side only.
ये वाइट वाला रोल.
ये white का ना?
हाँ.
सफेद का.
Now when that roller reaches here,
Yes, sir.
somebody tell me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Reached?
अभी और करो.
No, sir.
थोड़ा.
Yes.
पहुंच गया सर.
हाँ?
No, little bit.
Just this much, sir.
हाँ, ठीक है. Now everybody keep watching these shutters.
Yes, sir.
Anything happening to shutters?
Yes. sir.
Oh, see there.
Yes, sir.
Contact.
Remote contact.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Coming down. That one
Shutter
down.
started coming down.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's down, sir.
Down,
Yeah,
close,
down.
close.
And this lacking is also stopped.
Stop.
Got that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because always segregated three compartments.
Yes.
If the shutter remains open, then there is no segregation, and this is mixed then.
Yes.
You got that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can open the
Take the key.
okay. Then what is the next thing you are supposed to do? See now, gentlemen, the breaker is not fully out. It is locked here, and it is locked by this spring. Okay. Now I will have to first rack out completely. So another, it's going to come another 1 or 2 turns. It will come out, but somebody must lift this and keep it in lifted up condition. Is coming out?
Yes, sir.
Chodo, abhi ho.
Now it is.
Give. Okay, so now it has come out from the lock. Job of racking out handle is complete. The next thing which you want to do is
Disconnect the cable. Disconnect the cable.
That's the remote, sir.
disconnect this, because all the supply 110 volt is coming from here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is the next thing?
Earthing.
So this is a earthing handle. Actually, if you see here, there is a switch here also.
Yes, sir.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
But what has happened is this handle broke. Somebody used excessive force or something, and when it was welded back, welded at wrong position. So now, if this key is placed here, then I cannot turn.
Okay.
So the key gets on the way, in between. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So otherwise there is a shutter here also. This locking arrangement is here. Now, I put this here. Now everybody come this side. Now can you see these fork-like things?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3.
Three.
That is the earthing device. The cables which will come from your generator will come from behind and will be connected here. 1, 2, 3. See this?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Cables will be connected there. That center part. CT.
Yes, sir.
No, sorry. This is PT.
CT.
CT. Okay? Now I am going to apply earthing. Watch this switch.
Yes, sir.
And watch this lever here. First I will just show you the lever.
Yes, sir.
Can you see, everybody see the lever here?
No.
किधर उधर ने देखा भी नहीं, आए भी नहीं, उधर बैठ गए. This lever.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Everybody watch this lever.
Opens up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जिसने देख लिया वो immediately हट जाओ वहां से. Now watch that. Watch those ports. Okay, I am applying the earthing.
Yes, sir.
लग गया?
Yes, sir.
ये आगे है ना ऊपर?
Yes, sir.
ये नीचे का चला गया ना।
वो इसको छोड़ो, वो तो मैकेनिज्म है। See what indication you have here?
Earthing switch on.
Switch
Earthing
on. Switch on.
Switch on.
After this, the key gets released, and with that key, since I have removed it, as I told you,
Yes,
that
sir.
wrong welding, with that key, you can open this. Alright. Now, what is the next thing?
Earth.
Huh?
No, sir. Second earth.
Additional earth.
Additional earth.
No. Additional earth is put only after proving the place of work dead.
Okay.
That means now you need to check whether there is voltage or not.
Yes. Right. I saw it.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So now you will have to use the voltage
Voltage.
detector. Okay? Now, first always
Check.
test the
Test.
tester.
Tester.
Working.
Yes,
Then
sir.
I am going to make selection 6 kV, 6000 volts.
Yes, sir.
Then I am going to connect this onto this. I am going to hold it behind this black line because that is 0.7
Yes, sir.
meters, and I check. Like this.
Yes.
No voltage.
Yes, sir.
I must check.
सर अगर होगी तो लाइट जलेगी इधर से.
Test.
काम करना
Yes,
है.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, he has a problem.
Huh.
If there is a voltage,
What will happen?
how, and this is what exactly the practicals are going to be.
Yes.
Yes.
Because on ship you will never get this chance to do this. Okay? So what I am going to do is I am going to remove earth
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and I am going to switch on 6600 volts. Got that?
Yes, sir.
Everybody behind. Behind matlab dur.
Only one kick this guy. Right into that.
Chief engineer लगा है.
What are you standing? इधर रहो ना. इधर क्यों?
ये पण उठा ली इसकी तार.
है 6600 आ गया. हाँ? Okay.
The phone back, flash. Don't flash.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Now, why I will tell you why I told you not to stand near. Hmm? Now I will be checking that same thing what I just now checked. No,
Yes, sir.
दिखाता हूँ.
Oh.
देखा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
See from how far?
Yes.
Very far.
It's not yet in also.
You are not supposed to touch this. Huh? This is a proximity voltage tester. No touching here. Got that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो माहिती करो. Test it.
सही
कितना
कदम
voltage आ रहा होगा?
है
वहाँ पे अभी
हाँ?
टेस्ट
अरे
जहाँ पे
यहाँ
टेस्ट
से
किया वहाँ पे
नहीं
वोल्टेज कितना आ रहा
सही
होगा?
कदम डर गया
प्रदीप वहाँ पे वोल्टेज कितना आ रहा होगा?
ये इतना ही बैंड से वोल्ट
Got it? Everybody check. दूर से. Why I have showed you here? Just to tell you how dangerous it is if you stand near. Got that?
Yes, sir.
सर अगर इस रेंज से थोड़ा सा भी आगे गए तो
हाँ तो happy हो. Everybody check one by one.
everybody
Don't touch it, huh? हाई वोल्टेज
गणेशन आइडल
6600 वोल्ट है उधर और उसको आप आगे कर रहे हो.
Hey, behind that black line.
Behind the black line.
हाँ पीछे से हाँ
Don't touch.
जा तो
फिर इसको देके जाना तो.
कर लिया तूने
पीछे से
अरे
हो
ऊपर
गया
देखो. व्यू का पिक्चर और
Be careful. Listen. That behind that black line.
you don't stand behind and hold hand again. Hand should be behind that black line.
ब्लैक लाइन एंड
So Pradeep, clear?
यस सर
How if voltage is there, then what happens? Okay. So everybody has finished testing?
यस सर
Test it again.
Just lights are.
Test पे लाओ ना
हाँ आउट यस
and off. Got that?
Yes, sir.
That's
डिटेक्टिंग
because यहाँ है 6.6, which is this. Now what this does is, okay, there is some voltage, but it's not 6 kV, less than 6 kV, maybe 2 kV. In that case, what is going to happen is it's not going to beep.
ओके
Then there is one more tester which will detect the voltage, and same time if there is some residual voltage still there, that means of course not 6 kV, so 500-600 volts, it will ground it, it will discharge it also. So this is this one. So again it's a voltage detector, so this needs to be tested before and after. So for testing this, you have another instrument here. So this needs to be connected here. hold it, and when I tell you, connect it here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I am going to press the test button here. This LED as well as these LEDs must glow. That means this is working correctly. तो बैटरी इतना वीक हो चुका है आएगा आएगा
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got that? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means the probe is working.
Working.
Nice. The job of this is over. Now, this I will do, I will not allow you to do it. देखो, what I am going to do is, first I am going to connect the
Body.
earth side.
Earth side.
First I am going to connect the earth side.
Earth side. Yes, sir.
देखा?
Glowing.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
And I will just bring it near.
Spark.
Yes, sir.
देखा?
Yes, sir.
Because now the voltage is almost 6,600 full voltage.
Yes, sir.
You are not supposed to use this if full voltage is there.
Okay.
If the detected voltage, that proximity detector has not detected any voltage, but again to make sure that time you will use this. So you will touch it, so whatever residual voltage is still there, less than 6,000, that's why your proximity detector did not detect anything. That will get grounded also, because it is connected to
Ground.
Got this? Okay. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to switch off 6,600 volts. I am going to just test, touch.
No, sir.
But what I will do is best way is to apply
Ground.
Grounding.
earth. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. No wood.
No voltage?
No voltage.
So अभी सब ठीक है. All right?
Yes, sir.
Accept करोगे?